When you search for the best smokers for jerky, everything looks the same. Same flashy designs, same promises. But here's the thing. The real differences lie beneath the surface. And today, we're uncovering what truly works for making perfect jerky.
Product number 1, Masterbuilt Slow Smoker. The Masterbuilt Slow and Cold Smoker Attachment. Priced at $89.99, this nifty accessory caught my eye because it promises continuous smoke for your favorite jerky. If you're looking for a way to enhance your smoking experience, this is worth a serious look. This smoker operates using corded electric power and can maintain temperatures up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect not just for jerky, but also for cheese and fish. The continuous wood feed system is key here. It allows for up to 6 hours of smoke without needing to reload, which means you can set it up and forget about it, focusing on your day instead of constant refills. The removable ashtray also makes cleanup a breeze, which is something we all appreciate after a long smoking session. Now, some people did mention that it takes a bit more time to get the hang of controlling the smoke levels. But honestly, once you learn the ropes, the ability to manage smoke and temperature seamlessly makes it a small price to pay for such great results. This is perfect for you if you want to take your jerky making game to the next level without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for an all-in-one smoker, as this is just an accessory. Now, if the price point of the Masterbuilt attachment feels like you want something more integrated, the next option could be right up your alley. Product number 2, East Oak Ridgewood Pro Smoker. The East Oak Ridgewood Pro Electric Smoker, retailing at $299.99. The first thing that stands out is its ability to smoke for 6 times longer per load, which is impressive. If uninterrupted smoking sessions sound appealing to you, keep listening. The built-in meat probe is a game changer, allowing you to monitor the internal temperature of your jerky without opening the door. This feature keeps your meat juicy and ensures it's cooked to perfection, eliminating any guesswork. Plus, the elevated stand means you won't have to crouch down to check on your jerky, which is a relief during long smoking sessions. However, some users have mentioned that it's quite heavy at 58 pounds, which can make moving it around a hassle. But here's the thing, that weight often translates to durability, and it's built to last through countless smoke sessions. This is great for you if you often make large batches of jerky for gatherings. Skip this one if you're short on space, as its size is something to consider. You really get what you pay for with this smoker, making it a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more control in the smoking process.
Product number 3, Masterbuilt Digital Electric Smoker. Let's talk about the Masterbuilt 30-inch Digital Electric Smoker, priced at $238.32. What caught my attention was its digital controls, which allow you to set your smoking temperature and cooking time with ease. If you're not a fan of constantly monitoring your smoke, this could be a great fit. With a whopping 711 square inches of cooking space, this smoker is perfect for making jerky in larger batches. The patented side wood chip loader is a fantastic feature. It lets you add more smoke without opening the door, locking in heat and moisture. Plus, a removable water bowl helps maintain that juicy texture we all crave in our jerky. Now, some reviewers pointed out that the digital controls might take some getting used to, especially if you're accustomed to traditional smokers. But honestly, once you adapt, the convenience of having a more automated process is a significant advantage. This is ideal for those who love to entertain and want to prepare more food at once. Skip this if you prefer a more hands-on approach with your smoking, as the automation might not be for you. Overall, it's a solid option for many. Now, if that sounds like too much tech for your needs, our next product offers a more manual approach that might be just what you're looking for.
Product number 4, Nesco Jumbo Jerky Works Kit. The Nesco BJX5 Jumbo Jerky Works Kit is a steal at just $17.30. This manual jerky press grabbed my attention because it allows you to form large batches of uniform jerky strips quickly. If you enjoy crafting your jerky from scratch, this is worth considering. The high-capacity cylinder means you can pump out jerky strips efficiently, and it comes with multiple nozzles for different shapes. This is particularly useful if you're looking to customize your jerky or even make snacks for your pets. Plus, the controlled manual press action ensures even drying, which is crucial for achieving that perfect texture. However, some users have found that it requires a bit of muscle, which could be a downside for some. But here's the thing, If you're passionate about making jerky, that extra effort can lead to delicious, personalized results. This is perfect for you if you love DIY projects and want a simple way to create your jerky. Skip it if you want something electric and automated. For the price, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if you're looking for something that can stuff not just jerky, but also other snacks, you'll want to check out the next product on our list.
Product number 5, Lem Jerky Cannon. The Lem Products Jerky Cannon, priced at $69.99. This anodized aluminum jerky gun immediately appealed to me because it holds 1.5 pounds of meat and comes with various nozzles for versatility. If you want to experiment with different snacks, this is a fantastic tool. The durable build means it's designed for long-term use, and it's beginner-friendly, making it a great option for those just starting their jerky journey. The ergonomic trigger lets you squeeze out uniform strips with ease, which is a huge plus for anyone who's ever struggled with uneven jerky. Some complaints mention that it can be a bit tricky to clean since it's not dishwasher safe. But honestly, the ease of use and the quality of the jerky you can make far outweigh that minor inconvenience. This is a great pick if you want to explore making not just jerky, but also snack sticks. Skip it if you prefer something that's entirely hands-off, as this does require a bit of effort. For its price, it provides a solid return on investment and fun in the kitchen.
We've covered the Masterbuilt Slow Smoker attachment for those looking to enhance their existing setup, the East Oak Ridgewood Pro for a more automated approach, and the Masterbuilt Digital Smoker for those who want to go techie. We also explored the Nesco Jumbo Jerky Works kit for the hands-on enthusiasts, and the Lem Jerky Cannon for those who want to make a variety of snacks. Each option has its strengths, so consider what fits your jerky making style best.